Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blades and More. This is your host Mark, and what we have happening here is a review of a SOG Terminus XR black G10 carbon fiber pocket folding knife. This is a mid-size knife by SOG, being that the length is overall 7 inches. SOG is an American company. It's located in Linwood, Washington. However, this blade is manufactured for SOG in China. It has the SOG XR axis type locking system on it, modeled after the patented Benchmade axis lock. It is the beginning of 2019, and this blade is currently available at a variety of sources for approximately $70. The consensus is it gets overall very good ratings. Well received blade. Let me give you a few quick dimensions on it, if I may please. It's 7 inches total length. The blade length is 3 inches. The cutting edge is 2.75. The thickness is 1 inch. The blade material is different. It's a CTS BD1. Let's see if I can get a close-up of that. BDZ1 it says. CTS BDZ1 on the blade. The blade thickness is 0.11 inches. It's a drop point blade design, hollow grind, satin finish with a plain edge. The handle length is 4 inches. The handle width is 0.875. The handle thickness is 0.45. It's a G10 with a carbon fiber laminate type overlay, stainless steel liners that have been lightened. The weight is 3.32 ounces. It's right or left hand carry with a deep pocket clip with the SOG insignia on it. Manual opening, tip up carry with a flipper. Got the SOG, what they call their XR locking system. Terminus, the number on it, the SOG number is TM1021-BX. It's an EDC. I would rate it for some heavier duty use. It's a very sound knife. Nice heavy duty. I have XXL hands, and my little finger fits around the handle. The jimping on the back of the blade. Right or left thumb studs. I like this knife, it's very nice. Has 3 ways it can be opened, of course, by the XR lock, the flipper, and the thumb studs. This knife could be used for heavier applications, camping, some heavier cutting duties. Since it's a middleweight type knife with that weighs only 3.32 ounces, it certainly is an easy EDC, everyday carry. Great blade design, very sharp, very nice knife. I would give it very high ratings. I like this knife. It fits very well into my SOG collection. So there we go, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And that's it for now. Okay, bye now.